What is the cost of property management? Really, the question should be, how much will it cost you not to have a property manager? It is our strong opinion that the value of having a professional property manager far exceeds the cost because we know how much work is involved. If anything, as a whole, we think you'll actually come out ahead. Property managers can help advise you on how to get your property rent ready and get you the best return on your investment. We also know how to navigate those unideal situations, like when tenants aren't paying rent, how to get them back on track, or how to get possession of the property back. When maintenance issues seem so overwhelming you don't know what to do or who to call, we can address things promptly without doing more than necessary, but what is required and will keep your tenants happy. The question isn't how much does property management cost, but how much will it cost you not to? Let's cut to the chase though, and I will go over what you came here for. How are we compensated for the work that we do? Here at UTS, we charge for three main services: tenant placement, monthly management, and renewals. Tenant placement includes helping advise you on getting the property rent ready, coordinating lead testing and county licensing if necessary, taking photos of the property, listing the property and marketing it across all active rental websites, including our own and MLS, coordinating showings, processing applications, and getting a qualified tenant to sign a lease. For this service, we charge 1 month's rent. We do guarantee our tenants, so if a tenant we place defaults on their 12-month lease, we will place another at no additional charge. We also charge for monthly management. So this is everything else that happens during the lease cycle, including but not limited to rent collection, rent disbursement to you, coordination of maintenance, sending notices, communicating with the tenants, and an array of other things that may come up. Monthly management is 8% of the monthly rent. And finally, when the time approaches for the lease to end, we will reach out to you as the owner to discuss the option of renewing the lease and the new rental rates that the tenants will be offered. Once decided, we reach out to the tenants with their options and see if we can get them to renew their lease. If they renew, for this service, we charge $250. And that, my friends, is the cost for using UTS Property Management. A small cost for a big responsibility.